Hello everybody, I want to show you this video. You can insert the SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy M21. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. So if you remove here the instruction box, you will find it under the phone here at this place. So just fold it like this to remove the pin. And yeah, otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray there's a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. I've got a green version, so my SIM tray is also green. Okay, so let's start with the first SIM card. You will put it on this position here. Missing corner and missing corner. And the contacts are below. And in case if you want to add a second SIM card, you can put it here on that position. Also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and if you want, of course, you can add also a micro SD card, which one you can use also just with one SIM card, by the way. And this is how it looks like then at the end if you have two SIM cards in the phone and a micro SD card. And the contacts are below as well. And after you put back your construction into the phone, be careful that nothing jumps out. Shake a bit and it's inserted. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. Yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.